स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्.
During the earthquake of 2001, the structure of old Yatshala developed major cracks and it had to be demolished. With the help of the entire Arya world, this new spacious Yatshala was built in less than a year's time. The Tankara Trust takes pride in presenting this magnificent new Yatshala. An earthquake-resistant technology has been employed in the construction of this Yatshala as well as the Dayanand Gate. These structures can withstand earthquakes of high intensity. Students perform here their morning and evening yajna and prayers daily. Besides, many other Vedic rituals are performed here on various occasions. For devotees and visitors, the Trust has built fully equipped accommodations. Vijayanand Mansion. Clean and airy rooms make stay comfortable. The large-size cozy rooms of the old palace, the view of the river, make the perfect setting for a memorable visit for the visitors. These peaceful and well-appointed apartments are for the distinguished guests and the foreign visitors. Fully furnished, these flats provide a peaceful stay to the devotees and their families. During the earthquake, Tankara Trust served the people of Gujarat in an exemplary manner. For over a month, almost entire Tankara town lived in these premises. They were provided with everything of necessity: tents, blankets, clothes, food, etc. Also in the nearby villages, for months, the teachers and the students from the trust were involved in the rescue, relief and rehabilitation work. They helped in the distribution of relief material worth crores of rupees collected by Arya Samajis all over the world, absolutely without any prejudices or partiality. Trust work during relief operation has created new bonds. Trust takes care of the social needs of the locals by providing them with material they need, like dharis, utensils, firewood, etc. on social and family occasions. As a consequence of this interaction, the locals are better acquainted with the ideals of Maharshi and Arya Samaj. Today, Tankara has a Arya Nagar, a housing society, a hospital, a commercial complex, and this dam on this Demi river dedicated to the memory of Maharshi. A number of celebrities like Mrs. Indira Gandhi, Prakash Veer Shastri, Chaudhary Charan Singh, Atalji, Advani ji, Kedarnath Sahani, Morarji Desai and Shankaracharya have visited Tankara to pay their homage to the Maharshi. Mahashivratri has a special importance to the followers of Maharshi. As a 13-year-old boy, the Maharshi on this very day attained enlightenment that these stone images do not contain the true Shiva. On the Mahashivratri, every year, a week-long fete is organized to commemorate the enlightenment of Maharshi, known as Maharshi Bodhotsav. Aryas from world over congregate here to celebrate. The occasion is marked by Vedic symposiums, Parayan Yajna, Shobha Yatra and Prabhat Feri. All arrangements of the devotees are taken upon itself by the Tankara Trust. We appeal to the Aryas of the world to continue the generous support so that the trust is able to bring the birthplace of a beloved Maharishi on the world map.
टंकारा हमारे गुरु का जन्म स्थान है। जन्म स्थान होने से हमारे लिए तीर्थ स्थल है। स्वामी दयानंद ने जन्म लिया, जहाँ जन्म लिया, जिन गलियों में खेला, उन गलियों की मिट्टी को उठाकर अपने माथे पर लगाकर अपने गौरव अनुभव होता है। टंकारा ट्रस्ट में एक बड़ा उपदेशक विद्यालय खोला हुआ है, जिसमें ब्रह्मचारी तैयार किए जाते हैं और वो ब्रह्मचारी प्रचारक बनकर देश और विदेश में जाकर वेदों का प्रचार व प्रसार करते हैं। ट्रस्ट ने राजप्रसाद में बहुत सी बिल्डिंग बनाई हुई हैं, लोगों के ठहरने के लिए अब नए फ्लैट भी बनाए गए हैं। इसके अतिरिक्त वहाँ बड़ी भव्य यज्ञशाला है, अतिथिशाला है, गऊओं के लिए गौशाला बनी हुई है, बच्चों की सिलाई सिखाने के लिए भी एक स्कूल खोला गया है। इस प्रकार से कई योजनाएं चल रही हैं, परंतु जो गृह स्वामी जी का जन्म स्थान था वो प्राप्त अभी तक नहीं हुआ था। बहुत प्रयत्नों के पश्चात 50-60 वर्ष लगाने के पश्चात बड़े प्रसन्नता की बात है, वो भी अपने को 2 वर्ष पूर्व मिल गया है, जिसको बहुत अच्छी सुंदरता से सजाया गया है। आप आएँ, जब भी आना चाहें आएँ और स्वामी दयानंद के प्रति अपनी श्रद्धा के फूल अर्पित करें।
ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।